The major arcana of the tarot basically tell the story of a journey, an initiatory path, a bit like a spiritual coming-on-age movies, but with way more existential crises and symbols. So it all starts with the magician who stands at the edge of the known world, looking back at the fool, which is the chaotic, instinctive energy of everything that he already knows. But we can see that his body is already turned towards the High Priestess, the great unknown, the mysteries he's about to dive into. He doesn't know it yet, but he's about to start a deep transformation. His job is to read, decode, and understand this new world. And for that, he needs the Empress. The Empress who brings creativity and the ability to express himself in reality. And of course the Emperor who helps him structure it all and bring it to the physical world. From there he can step to the Hierophant. That's the moment where he starts to grasp deeper values, beliefs, and connection to the divine and to others. And boom, here comes the Lovers, where he has to make a choice, not only about relationships, but also about what he really wants to be. Yeah, that's a big one. And when he finally figures it out, he moves to the Chariot, where finally he's taking the reins of his life, where he gains direction and starts to fully embody his own path. But the journey doesn't stop there. Realizing who you are is great, but now you need awareness. Enter Justice, who teaches clarity, responsibility, and accountability. And from there we go deeper with the Hermit, the moment of introspection, solitude, and inner truth seeking. And then life does what it does. It moves. The wheel of fortune spins and throws challenges his way, testing his ability to adapt. If he passes the test, he reaches the strength, not brute force, but the ability to master himself, stay grounded, and navigate life without getting thrown out of balance. Then comes a big shift, the Hanged Man, where he really needs to learn how to let go, but really let go. It's really about surrender, seeing things from another perspective and trusting the process. And what comes after that? Death. Not literal death. It's more like shedding an old skin, leaving behind what no longer serves him and embracing true transformation. That transformation leads to Tempérance, where he finds flow, balance, and a deeper sense of harmony. But then, plot twist, he reaches the Devil. And the Devil asks, "So, what are you gonna do with all of this?" Because knowledge and transformation are cool, but now it's time to manifest something real. To do that, he has to break free from his fears, his old conditioning, his illusions. Enter the Tower, where everything falls, comes crashing down. It's rough, it's chaotic, it's a marvelous catastrophe, but it's necessary. And after the storm, the sky opens. The star appears, bringing hope and clarity. The moon follows, guiding him through the depths of his subconscious, helping him navigate dreams, intuition, and fears. Then comes the sun, the full realization, the moment where everything aligns finally, where he can finally shine into his total authenticity. This brings him to a kind of resurrection. He's reliving a birth. As a reborn, he passes the door of the judgment to finally reach the world, the completion, the fulfillment, the higher reality we all dream of reaching. So yeah, that's the journey of the Major Arcana. It's a path of self-discovery, change, growth, destruction, rebirth, and ultimately becoming the fullest version of yourself. The fullest, I didn't say the best, the fullest, which is very, do you see the nuance? It's very different.